Yes, it is me, Hoover. Now, watch as I climb this plane. Hello there, everyone. Look at me. Look at me. I'm a bundle of joy. Look at me. Who was that guy? Why was he so yellow? It was so unnatural. Never mind. Back to my job. Hello, everyone. Do you have vodka? What was that? Why does he keep interrupting me? Now, as I was saying, I am going to jump off of this plant and go onto the other one like a trapeze act because I will be a circus snail. You know what? No, I don't. Oh, look, I'm already starting. Yes, look at how cool I am. Wahaha! Now, hello, does anyone have vodka salmon? Yes, can you pay me some attention, damn it?